The most common way to brew coffee at home is probably the drip brewer. This is just a regular drip brewer with a paper filter. This is our Bonavita. There's a lot of different ways to make coffee. We're just going to focus on these three right now as a demonstration. So we have the drip brewer, we have the pour over, which is good for making about 1 cup of fairly strong coffee, and then we have the Chemex, which is a larger pour over that makes several cups of coffee. So all these brew methods use a brew ratio of around 1 to 13 to 1 to 18, depending on how strong you like your coffee. What we do here at Perry Coffee for the Chemex, which we'll do now, is about 36 grams of coffee, about 567 grams of water, and what that ends up with is about a 1 to 15 coffee ratio. So once you add the coffee, and we use a balance, so we make sure we get the amounts right, but you can work on it from home using estimations. We need to first add the coffee to the wet filter. So I pre-wet this filter. You have to bloom the coffee, so you add enough water to make it puff up in there. You can wait about 30 seconds, and that's supposed to give the coffee time to expand to provide more surface area for the extraction. And then to extract the coffee, you're supposed to fill this to your desired weight over the course of about a minute. I'm going to hasten this a little bit for the demonstration purpose. But you'll add all the water at once, and there's different ways to experiment. Some people add a little bit and then add a little more and add a little more. It tends to be smoother if you do one pass through the filter and just let it go, one quantity of water. And then this should take about another minute or so to perk through the filter down to the pot. If you have any questions about brewing with the Chemex or the pour over or the drip brewer, stop by the plant. We'd be glad to help you out.